tired of spending all your time and resources trying to find a better way to host events? Let me show you how easy it is to do it with Fullbooker. First things first, search for Fullbooker on the web and you'll arrive at the landing page. If you don't have an account, you can sign in with Google. Let's go ahead and do that. Once you're signed in and you want to host an event, I'll guide you through the process today. Your landing page will look like this. To get started, go to Create a Product. This will switch to your host version. Click on Create a Product. For our example, we're going to create an event. With Fullbooker, you have various options for products you want to create, but we will focus on activity, such as a quad biking activity. Let's call our event Hot Wheels. Next, you will need to provide a brief description of the event. I already have one prepared, so let's move on. The next step is to choose a location. Let's say we are hosting it at the Lukenya Gateway and Athi River. Now we'll proceed to selecting a date, say Saturday, June 21st from 8:30 a.m. until 6 p.m. To set the event to a recurring, click the Repeat button and set how your event recurs. This will enable event automation. Now, it's time to upload some photos that represent the event. I've already downloaded a few, so I'll select them. After uploading the images, you should also upload some videos to help market your event. When done, click Continue. Next, let's set up the access options for your event. Fullbooker allows you to offer flexible payment methods for your customers. You can choose not only a daily pass, but also a weekly subscription or even a yearly subscription. I will choose a one-time subscription, as well as a monthly subscription. Thereafter, you are required to set up the pricing for the two modes of access. Here, you can create basic ticket types, such as Standard, VIP, or VVIP. Moreover, you can also customize the tickets by yourself, simply by clicking Add Product. Let me show you how. For the monthly subscription mode of access, I will create a standard ticket called Daily Safari Pass Single. Click Add Pricing. Simply give it a name and a short description describing the experiences and a breakdown of the cost included. As a host, you can create any number of tickets you want available. You can always come and increase the number of tickets whenever you're sold out and have the capacity to accommodate more. I will create another ticket called Daily Safari Pass Shared. Just like the previous one, you will give it a short description, indicate that this will be a shared option for a certain number of people, say a group of 3. When done, set up its pricing, then click Continue. Let's also set up the one-time mode of access. But remember, this time you're setting up a one-time purchase ticket. As an illustration, I will create a ticket called Quad Bike Rides Single. Give it a description, say 2-hour bike ride, guide fees, drinks and snacks, and lastly, picnic setup. Go ahead and set up its pricing. Lastly, set up the number of tickets, say 200. You can do this as much as you want to fit the various types of bookable activities you're offering. Once you're done setting up your tickets and access modes, simply click Continue. You'll then be taken to a final review page where you can double-check all your event details like pricing, ticket types, and the event description. Once everything looks perfect, hit Submit to make your event live. With a variety of ticket options in place, your customers now have the flexibility to choose the experience they want and book instantly. Congratulations! Your event is now live and ready to be discovered by adventure seekers and experience lovers.